Makofi ya juu. You will do as I do. Yep. Take it up, take it up, take it up.
Wapi vigelegele ya wageni?
Denake hakingi monoma. Denake hakingi monoma. Kaine tunya dete monoma. Karahuli yonde orege. Leunjo urorana ko. Leunjo wekatia enjoy kambane.
Come over. Joy kambane ite. Wapi makofi na vigelegele? Come over.
Some people say there are many girls that are really crazy after me, but I'm not interested in any. Save my lovely Elizabeth, my sweet Elizabeth.
Yeah.
Right? Joy
Okay, we are going down.
Go down. Take it down. Go down.
Down. Now everyone to go down. Okay, do this. Right.
Bariki yao.
Kakane na medo
haya wabariki. Wabia karibu.
Timranadi joka ya bape tia Timranadi
Okay, we are going down.
Everybody.
Go down. Hold your waist.
Take it down.
Shake it. Shake it. You're going down. Shake down. Shake down. Remain there.
Yeah.
Are you there? Remain there. Are you happy, people? I want you to stretch your right hand, then your left hand. Stand like you are bow-legged like this. This is how we welcome guests to our country. Sawa sawa, twende DJ, tuwapigie makofi tafadhali. Tuwapigie makofi.
Yeah.
Twende. Can you do this? Come on.
To the right, to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right.
I want you one by one to show us the way you do it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. Go ahead. Yeah. Hey. Wapi mikono juu ya huyo? Ibe. Yeba.
Okay.
Mr. Simon. Hey. Sims. Sims, go down. Go down. Yeah. Mrs. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Let's give them a very big round of applause as they go and sit. Let me have the ushers show them where to sit. Karibuni sana. Welcome very much, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome very much. Come Africa are going to give us one more number as the guests are shown where to sit.
I'm really humbled to be with you this day. I'm really humbled to come and celebrate with you the 10 years of Timaflow. I'm really humbled to be invited here to come and share with you a word of God. Jesus said, knock and knock and knock and the door will be opened. So when some people come there, they knock one day and they don't get employed. It is because they have not followed the message of Jesus. Knock and knock. It is not only knocking. You knock and knock persistently. So those who have knocked and knocked persistently are Timaflow. They have always been employed. Amen? So we need to knock and knock persistently. Our young brothers and sisters who have never gotten a chance to work here, they should use the word PUSH. You pray until something happens. Go and tell your brothers and sisters that they need to pray and pray and pray until something happens. Our sons and daughters, may God bless Timaflow. Amen.
Wapi makofi. Yeah. Simama ujione, simama ujione. Timaflow Security have a parade. The instructor is John Erupe, ladies and gentlemen. Wapi makofi kwao. Bendera mazo wamebeba, moja imeandikwa, Mr. Simon, you're a hero for leading Timaflow fraternity up to date.
The parade which have been prepared for your honor is ready for inspection, sir.
Yeah. Ha! Mr. Simon, that is why you salute. That is why you salute to the kitambaa ya pili ambayo wamebeba imeandikwa Team of Law Security Guards, umoja ni nguvu. God bless Team of Law. Wako imara kwa security ya Team of Law. Wako pia na bendera imeandikwa congratulations and success for the 10th anniversary Team of Law. Hey! Wapi makofi kwa security. Let's give them a very big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Wapi makofi kwangu. It is your turn. 1, 2, 3, go. Hey, wapi makofi? Piga makofi. Wapi makofi? Vigelegele. Bring it out, bring it out. Enjoy. Thank you. Now, some of you don't want to clap. Can you beat her at catwalk? You can't. What's your name?
My name is Joyce Kinyua.
Kidogo tu. What's your name again?
I'm Joyce Kinyua.
Joyce Kinyua. Unafanya kazi kwa department gani?
Greenhouse.
Greenhouse. Wapi makofi ya watu wa greenhouse? Makofi ya watu wa greenhouse. Wewe unakata maua ama what's the nature of your job?
Nakata maua.
Unakata maua. Do you enjoy your job? Do you enjoy? Unafurahia kazi yako? Unafurahia kazi yako?
Yes. I
Mr. Simon, look at the way she answers. Do you enjoy your job?
Yes.
Mbona unaniangusha? Enjoy nini? The boss is here. Anyway, she enjoys her job. Now, I want to ask you one question. How many years have you been at Team of Law?
Just 9 months.
9 months. You're the right person to ask this question. In which year was Team of Law founded?
This year.
Huh? Okay. Come on. Wacheni kucheka. Wacha niulize na Kiswahili. Team of Law ilianzishwa mwaka gani? Unajua ile mwaka Team of Law ilianzishwa ni mwaka gani? Okay, she's only 9 months old in the company. Let's give her a round of applause for trying. Please take her name down, Joyce Kinyua, please, and give her a present later on. Thank you very much. Can I have somebody who's been in this company for like, say, 5 years? Thank you very much. Enda kwa line, enda kwa space yako. Let's give her a round of applause as she walks down. When I come back next, I want somebody who's been in the company for 5 years and above. I shall ask another question. If you get the question right, you will be awarded. Tamasha Beats, if you're ready. Let go! Yeah. Tafadhali, don't try this at home. Don't try this at home, ladies and gentlemen. Wapi makofi? Ever. What's your name, brother?
Chris.
Chris. You have one name.
I have 3.
Okay. Chris is okay. Chris, where are you from?
I'm from Kenya Biologics.
Kenya?
Biologics.
Kenya Biologists. Okay. Well, if you don't mind, would you tell us what happens at Kenya Biologists?
We produce biological pesticides, which we sell to farms, for example, Timaflor.
Okay, okay. So you guys make money from Timaflor?
True, true.
Simple. Thank you for making money from Timaflor. All right. Do you know that funny sounding instrument? Would you want to know its name?
I have no clue what it is, no.
But it sounds funny, right?
It does, yeah.
Welcome very much to Timaflor. You're originally from? Now you are Kenyan by default. But originally?
The Netherlands.
You're Dutch. By the way, you know I've been to Netherlands. Yeah, I'm not Dutch, but my name is Odek, very close to Dutch. You know what I'm saying? You're Dutch. Where are you from? In the Netherlands?
Zomeren.
I know easier names like Epe. I know, I've been to Amsterdam. Don't ask me the district I've been to. That district?
It's south of Amsterdam.
It's
South of Amsterdam.
where you come from?
Yeah.
Or the district? Do you know the district I'm talking about?
I don't know.
I'll tell you. I'll tell you. All right. That instrument is called, for those who do not know, it's called a nzumari. Nzumari. Nzumari is an instrument played by blowing, and it's from the Giriama people who live at the coast of Kenya. Some history right there. That's where you clap for me. We don't Thank you. Thank you very much. I'm going to greet another person. Hi, brother. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll be having speeches in a short while. Wapi makofi kwa wageni. Thank you. Thank you. Wageni are visitors. People, hi. Wageni, I want to teach you some Swahili. Are you ready? You'd like to? Wageni, say wageni.
When can he?
Wa,
Wa,
ge,
ke,
ni.
wa keni.
Good. You are good at spelling bees, yeah?
Yeah.
You used to spell very well.
Not so well. In Dutch I can.
Which part of the Netherlands do you come from?
Close to the airport, Schiphol Airport, Amsterdam.
Oh, so you come from Amsterdam?
You've been there?
I've been to Schiphol and I know Amsterdam.
Okay.
Yeah.
Everybody outside Holland knows Amsterdam. I don't know why.
You just killed my light, man. You just had to kill my spark. I wanted to boast, man. But it's all good. Now, wageni. Wageni is visitors.
Wageni.
Visitors.
Visitors.
Like you're a visitor, you are, when it's one, it's mgeni. Say mgeni. All right. Timaflor, are you having a good time? Kama inawabamba weka mkono juu hivi. Sema igwe. Upande huo inawabamba. Inawabamba. Musiogope. Musiogope. Sawa? Musiogope kitu. Hapa ni Timaflor na sisi ndio kusema. Semeni kwa microphone. Sisi ndio kusema.
Sisi ndio kusema.
Timaflor, sisi ndio kusema.
Timaflor, sisi ndio kusema.
Nani anaamini kwamba Timaflor sisi ndio kusema?
Timaflor Timaflow directors, Timaflow managers, our human resource manager, our guests, the entire management, and our fellow workers. Before you is Leah Murunga,
Christine Tinyari,
presenting you an appreciation song to our directors, Mr. Simon, together with Mother Rosemary and Mr. Sim. We are so much grateful to you. You've really done a lot to us for the 10 years, and Timaflow is not able to thank you, each and every one of us as an individual. That's why we are representing the Timaflow fraternity to thank you through a song. You are welcome. Director wetu unatupenda,
ndio maana ukaja Kenya, katujengea kampuni Timaflow, tunaipenda sana we. Tunajivunia kuwa Timaflow, hatulinganishi na kwingine. Ukizunguka Mount Kenya, hakuna nyingine kama Timaflow. Unatupatia Christmas bonus we, watuongezea mshahara kila mwaka we. Nani mwingine kama Kenya kama Simon? Hakuna we. Tunakupenda Mr. Simon, tunakuombea Mr. Simon. Mungu akuzidishie uhai uzidi kulinda Timaflow. Tunakupenda Mr. Simon, tunakuombea Mr. Simon. Mungu akuzidishie uhai uzidi kulinda Timaflow.
Ukiona twang'aa hivi
ni sababu yako Mr. Simon. Wengi tumenunua mashamba na wengine twaendesha magari we. Tunaishi vizuri we, watoto wetu waenda shule. Ni sababu yako Mr. Simon, twasema asante sana we.
Unatupenda
Mr. Simon, unatujali Mr. Simon. Ndio maana sisi Tima twasema Simon tosha we.
Tunakupenda
Mr. Simon, tunakuombea Rosemary. Mungu akuzidishie uhai mzidi kulinda Timaflow. Tunakupenda Mr. Simon, tunakuombea Rosemary. Mungu awazidishie uhai mzidi kulinda Timaflow.
Let me translate. Let me quickly translate what they were singing. Mr. Simon, what they said is that they wouldn't mind their salaries increased. That's basically, you see, the whole singing, the whole stopping and beginning and, you know, all that was just about some salary increment. Wapi makofi kwa waimbaji. Do long service awards and then we'll take it from there. Karibu, Mr.
Thank you, Mr. MC. Yes, my name is Joel Kinyua Imitira. I work for an institution in Meru County called Meru County Investments and Development Corporation. To our visitors, Kenya has a devolved system of government, so we have counties. And we come here to pass our congratulations to Timaflow and its founders. To say congratulations on your 10th birthday. As I was listening, I heard a lot of songs about indicating that you loved Meru before we loved you. I've just checked around and noticed that Timaflow has employed 1,400 people, and we are very grateful for choosing to work in Meru. At the corporation where I work, my brief is to bring investors to Meru, and I'm happy that Timaflow came and others that are here in Timau. So we are very grateful to all of you that have chosen to do business in Meru. And us, as the county, we come to facilitate. I know there are a lot of interactions between the private sector and government functionaries. Probably there are a lot of issues that you require sorted out. Our business is to start engaging with the private companies so that your stay in Meru can be more productive. We are keen in supporting you to do business. You make money as you help us also create social dividends. There is no contradiction in Meru. So we are happy to come and join you and say congratulations on your 10th birthday and look forward to a collaboration with you moving forward.
If you don't mind, boss, stand.
Can I stand?
Yes, please. Boss, I would want a job.
Yeah. You want a job?
Yes,
As
at
a what?
Insta Pumps.
Is an artisan or a plumber or a pump technician?
I can carry pipes. Very well.
There is such an opening. Such an opening is like you like to get one.
So I see you.
Oh yeah. Put your application right now. We should be able to give you a job.
Cool. Even watu wanapata kazi, by the way. Do what starting salary? like me?
Minimum wage for careers.
Do I look like minimum wage?
Great, man.
All right. Thank you very much. What's your name, sir?
My name is Gosho.
Gosho
is my name.
Gosho. You're the boss at
The
Insta Pumps
Group. Yeah, I'm the boss of the Insta Pumps Group, and I actually cultured the first seed on this farm in the year 2006. I was instrumental in the first borehole that was done here, and I have fully supported Timberflow for the last 10 years. Thanks. Is that okay?
That's it. This is a worthy partner. Do you agree, Mr. Simon? Yes. Okay, can you get the camera on him when he answers? This is how TV works, by the way. Do you agree, Mr. Simon? Yeah. This is a worthy partner. Okay.
I'm the backbone.
You're there?
I'm the backbone for these flowers.
Wakenya na kujisifu.
I'm really happy of what I see.
Cool. Hey, it's a great job, right?
It's a good job, yeah.
Mr. Simon has done a great job.
Oh, yes.
And you've done a great job. How old is Insta Pumps?
Insta Pumps was started way back in 2002, and we started off with Simon, this farm in the year 2006.
You know, we are buddies, if you don't notice. And we are almost the same size.
What about this?
I'm just taller than you are. Thank you very much. Thank you. Since people are concentrating, I want to go to the next speech very, very quickly. Mr. Henry Wainwright from Real IPM. I hope I got that right.
Thank you. Master of Ceremonies, we supply doo-doos to Timberflow.
This is where I come closer. Doo-doos. You supply doo-doos.
Doo-doos.
Now I understand. How do these doo-doos help Timberflow?
They eat the pests. They eat the pests.
They eat the pests.
Instead of using pesticides, we give them doo-doos, good doo-doos, and they eat the bad doo-doos.
So basically, what Timberflow does is they use biological methods to control the pests. They don't use chemicals.
They try and use as little chemicals as possible, and we sell them spiders.
So you sell a lot of things.
Yeah, well, a doo-doo is a spider.
Oh, damn! I knew that. I knew that. All right, Karibu. Continue.
So, Simon and Rosemary, I'd like to thank you for inviting me and our Real IPM members, but I'd also like to thank you on behalf of the other Wageni here. because they won't have an opportunity, I don't think, to come up here and thank you personally. But thank you for this great event. So for many of you, you know Simon's history, but Simon first came to Kenya in 1971 as a volunteer with SNV.
Makofi.
So that means he's been here 45 years, and he met Rosemary in Naivasha in the late 70s. And basically, those two have had a love affair with Kenya and roses ever since. It has been to the benefit of everyone in this tent that they've had this love affair. So once again, I thank you for that. Now, I work for a company that sells doo-doos, and we were formed very similar time to Timoflor. Now, that's probably the only similarity, because Timoflor is now 10 times bigger than our company. They employ 10 times more people, and they make a profit, and I'm not sure we do. So, but it's a testament to his success. And just think, Simon's been here 45 years, and he's been in Timoflor and running Timoflor for 10 years. And so this is just, Timoflor is just one chapter in his life. And I'm confident it'll be the best chapter. Now, it's a great success story, but Simon will admit that he's made mistakes in the past. And one of the first mistakes Simon made was he built Timor 1 pack house too small. And he was complaining that this pack house was too small. And so, you know Simon, he was looking around for a reason to explain why this pack house was too small. And so he decided to blame it on the doo-doos, because he said the doo-doos made his crop grow so much and give him so much yield that his pack house was too small. Now, Real IPM has had a close association with Simon over many years, and one of the collaborations we've had was a Dutch government-funded project, a SOM project, that was established in 2009. And I rang up the coordinator of that project yesterday to ask him his feedback on whether he thought that collaborative project was a success. And when they got the application in The Hague in the Netherlands, they looked at the application and they were skeptical, because it was all about putting doo-doos into flowers. Anyway, they came to meet Simon on a Saturday morning, and his reaction was, Simon was so enthusiastic, passionate, and argumentative that they gave him the project. So well done, Simon. So on behalf of the Wageni, and in particular the suppliers, I would like to commend and thank Timoflor for being a star company in terms of loyalty, in terms of frankness, and in terms of paying on time. Timoflor is a star. And so I would congratulate Timoflor on the last 10 years, but I would, if you have a glass in your hand, I would like to raise our glasses and propose a toast to Timoflor and the future.
Raise up your glasses, ladies and gentlemen.
Timoflor.
Cheers. Blink, ching ching. Vipi?
Poa.
I shall translate later. What's your name?
My name is Henry Karionga.
Sorry, just say that again.
Henry Karionga.
Henry Karionga. Henry, what do you do at Timoflor? Unafanya kazi gani?
Mimi nafanya upande wa maintenance.
Maintenance.
Yeah.
Maintenance, electricity, there's a lot of maintenance around here, si ndio? Maintenance
ya makaratasi juu huko, unaona hizo kwa nyumba juu huko, kupaka rangi, mahali imeharibika, kitu kama hiyo.
Basically, wewe ni KYM, kada ya moko. Let me tell you one thing about these maintenance people. When Mr. Simon will agree with me on this, I believe. These maintenance people are the most important people in any functioning company. Did I get a round of applause to all the maintenance guys? Tuwapigie makofi watu wa maintenance tafadhali. Umefanya Team Flow miaka ngapi?
2.5.
2.5. Niko na swali. What's your name again, Henry? Jina ni nani?
Yeah.
Henry. Tia uzito buda, uko tu juu, uko sawa, tia uzito. Henry Karionga.
Yeah.
Tafadhali, if you're at the desk, please write this name. Henry Karionga. I have a question for you. Niko na swali. Boss wa Team Flow, the founder of Team Flow, anaitwa nani na anatoka nchi gani? Jina lake lote.
Anaitwa Simon Lagabas.
Wapi makofi? Ati anaitwa nani?
Simon Lagabas.
Anatoka nchi gani?
Netherlands.
Anatoka Netherlands na anaitwa Simon Lagabas. Give this guy, Judy and your team, please write this guy's name down. You'll give him a present for me. He knows the name of the boss. Well, at least he knows the first one. Asante sana. Thank you. Let me now call Mr. Sim Vanderberg to come and say something. And then we will have, I think we will have the song from Timothy, is it? Timothy, we'll have the song, and then we will have to welcome Mr. Simon in a grand way. Somebody help me bring this up. Simbana. Ha! I told you, the Vanderbergs are simple people. Keep it simple. You know, keep it simple. Welcome. Karibu Buddha. Tia uzito. Kwa sawa. Pige picha. Sell. Bam.
It's good.
Can we do a selfie or something?
I left my phone behind.
Mine does not have a camera.
I don't have a phone.
Wow, tusambazie hiyo picha tuweke kwa FB.
I hope it won't be a long silence like the last speech I gave for most of you. I don't know if you can hear me. I've been thinking what I was going to say today. I'm basically a very proud member of the Team Flow family. The journey is only about 3 years old, probably about roughly around the same time, 3 years ago. I decided to come back to Kenya. Before that, it's not the first time I was working in the flower industry. My journey began a long time ago, starting as a student when I was probably about 14, 15, unpacking flowers. Then later I got other opportunities. Probably my first outside the direct family job was working actually at as a breeder, and I think that's where the initial passion for roses and varieties started. And Judith is sitting here. I spent many of my Saturdays, weekends working there, and started my journey there. I think I got the passion for breeders. I did a practical for shrews, hikers right there. But the real passion, I think, started, unfortunately, he's not here, is the gentleman called Alessandro. I worked for 4 years with NERP East Africa. Had the opportunity to visit each and every farm in Kenya, East Africa mainly. And was really appreciated for the efforts. I tried, but it's mainly because of the passion I had for what I did. Brings us back to where we are today. I just can't believe the amount of people I'm looking at. It's crazy feeling. In my journey at Timoflor, I think we've really appreciate, and I think that's the most important part, is each and every one of you here, because nobody can do anything without teamwork. And I think the philosophy, which I think is started through my father, is the people. And I think that's why we are here. We are celebrating together, and it's for all of you guys. And I'm very happy to be part of the team.
Kafuata mashamba kadhaa, twajivunia kampuni letu. Timoflor miaka 10, twasherehekea leo hii. Hongera sana Bwana Simon kwa kazi njema unayofanya. Kinidhamu twafanya vyema, tuangalie tunavyong'aa. Watoto wetu waelimika, majirani wanatamani. Timoflor miaka 10, twasherehekea leo hii. Hongera sana Bwana Simon kwa kazi njema unayofanya. Mavuno twafuna tere, soko zetu zimepanuka. Mungu saidia Timoflor riishi miaka mingi. Timoflor miaka 10, twasherehekea leo hii. Hongera sana Bwana Simon kwa kazi njema unayofanya. Asante.
That was beautiful. That was beautiful.
Simoni wetu tupenda sana, Simoni wetu tupenda sana. Raha yetu wapatima kusherehekea miaka 10. Yesi sote twafurahia. Simoni wetu tupenda sana, Simoni wetu tupenda sana. Raha yetu wapatima kusherehekea miaka 10. Ndio sisi sote twafurahia. Rosemary wetu tupenda sana, Rosemary wetu tupenda sana. Raha yetu wapatima kusherehekea miaka 10. Ndio sisi sote twafurahia. Rosemary wetu tupenda sana, Simoni wetu tupenda sana. Raha yetu wapatima kusherehekea miaka 10. Ndio sisi sote twafurahia. Nasimu wetu tupenda sana, Nasimu wetu tupenda sana. Raha yetu wapatima kusherehekea miaka 10. Ndio sisi sote twafurahia. Nasimu wetu tupenda sana, Nasimu wetu tupenda sana. Raha yetu wapatima kusherehekea miaka 10. Ndio sisi sote twafurahia.
Wapi makofi kwao? Wapi makofi kwao? Wapi makofi kwao? Wapi makofi? Wapi makofi? Wapi?
Mamangun Krengara, freedom Kennedy. Mamangun Krengara, freedom Kennedy. Ngoma Sinja, freedom Kennedy. Mamangun Krengara, freedom Kennedy. Mamangun Krengara, freedom Kennedy. Mamangun Krengara, freedom Kennedy. Mamangun Krengara, freedom Kennedy. Ngoma Sinja, freedom Kennedy. Mamangun Krengara, freedom Kennedy. Mamangun Krengara, freedom Kennedy. Mamangun Krengara, freedom Kennedy. Ngoma Sinja, freedom Kennedy. Mamangun Krengara, 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 freedom Kennedy. Mwanda,
Shake it! Shake it! Shake, 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 say, shake, 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 shake.
Hey! Mamangun Krengara, freedom Kennedy. Mamangun Krengara, freedom Kennedy. Mamangun Krengara.
We want to see the boss shake. Mnataka kuona boss akishake. All right, boss.
Freedom Kennedy. Mamangun Krengara, freedom Kennedy.
All right, Mr. Simon, shake it. Down, down. Yeah.
Thank you. Mamangun Krengara, freedom Kennedy. Mamangun Krengara, freedom Kennedy. Mamangun Krengara, freedom Kennedy. Manda. So, Bongo. Hey. Hey. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Simon Van der Bar. Karibu boss.
I'm Jumbo. Watayota. I believe we have some honorable guests, and Wageni, and of course, the most important, our own people. It is, of course, I have basically no words. This party is basically just like the history of Timor-Flor. It's gone a little bit out of control. When I started Timor-Flor, I wanted something small, something simple, something to do, rather than be at home all day. So we said we grow a few hectares and we are busy to do something. The same thing counted for this party. Every year or every 2 years, we give a party for the people. And I said a year ago, I said, okay, next year is 10 years. We maybe do a little bit special. But hell did I know that this was ahead of us. And it's amazing that most of you are not allowed to come up here to see what we have done. Sometimes when I drive around, you realize the damage you have done to the district. Or when you fly over, Timau doesn't look the same anymore. Sometimes you feel sad, but when you see this and when you hear this, I can only be proud. Because the only thing which happens in the life of a human being is to have a job, have an income, have a purpose of life, can look after our kids and develop. And I have to go back a little bit to the early 70s. We are running late, so I'll have to try to, my speech was going to be an hour and a half. But we are running late, so I'll try to cut it short. I see faces now, I didn't know they were here, but I will mention a few of you. But of course, Henri said it already, My first trip to Kenya was 1971. 6 months before I came, I never knew there was a country called Kenya. But I arrived, we fell in love, and of course, especially with the people. I've visited probably 50 countries, but the people of Kenya are special. Iwatu ya Kenya ni special sana. I have a saying sometimes. I used to work in Naivasha. I was looking after a crowd similar to this, about 3,000 people. I went back to Holland and I employed one guy, a Dutch driver. And many times I said I had less problem with the 3,000 people in Kenya than the one guy in the Netherlands. Because the one guy always knew better. And there's only one guy who knows it all. Sorry. Polisana. Anyway, to go back, 1971, I came to this beautiful country. I did some field work in Nyeri area, later in Molo area. We liked the place. I said, this is the place I want to live. That's where I want to go. Luckily, there was a company called DCK, started to grow some carnations in Naivasha. They needed somebody who knew a little bit about carnations. I said, you found the man, and I joined them. 1974, I managed to stay there for 10 years. We started with 2 hectares. We went to 20 hectares, 60 hectares, 100 hectares, until we had 150 hectares. 10 years down the line, I said, you guys are now big enough. You can do it without me. So I said goodbye. In the meantime, another neighbor has started to grow some flowers by the name of Oserian. They started in 1982. But by 84, they did not know where to sell these flowers. So they needed somebody to go to the Netherlands to look after their sales. So I married a young lady. I think we've all seen her. She's a little bit shy. But we made one deal when we got married, that our children would not go to a boarding school. So when the opportunity came, when our children were 3 and 5 to go back to the Netherlands, I said, let's go. We go to the Netherlands, the school is next door, our kids can grow up there. And so we said, and so we did. So we started marketing for Oserian. We stayed there for about 15 years. And we didn't market for only Oserian. When I finished, we marketed company flowers from about 10 different countries, 50 different companies. And again, the job was done. So in 2000, it was time to Pumzika. So I said, we have a bit of shillings in the pocket. I was 50. My daddy retired when he was 51. So I said I did 1 year better. But unfortunately, or we talked with an old mate of mine, I don't know where he is, there is the big man, Gerjan sitting. We said, you know, it's too early. So do something. We found a fellow who wanted to grow a farm in Kenya, and we selected Timau. Coming to Timau, of course, having been to Kenya for the last 30 years, we realized there is no better place in Kenya, and I don't think there is a better place in the world. This place is unique. It is not only unique because of the climate, because of the land, but also the people. I say it again. Watu ya Timau ni fadhali sana kuliko hii watu ya Naivasha. Hii watu ya Naivasha sumbua mimi sana ya mwaka 10, lakini hapa nacheza tu saa yote. Alafu lakini hakuna mcheza sana, nafanya kazi ya bidii. Bila supervision mingi, hawa anajua kazi yake, sisi napanda maua, hata hii watu ya Ulaya napenda sana hii maua ya Timaflor. We came to Timau in 2003, but we had a partner, and like most of you know, sometimes partnerships don't work. And if a partnership don't work, there is no need to fight. So you say goodbye, one goes one way, I go the other way. So again, there was a new opportunity in 2006. And that's why we are here. 2006, we had to do something, and like I said with the party, it had to be small. And I now have to get a little bit of a piece of paper. because I like to mention just a few names. Like people say, the philosophy is to keep it simple. So I like to deal with the same people for as long as we run the company. Not to change the company, we try to invent the wheel. So when we started Timoflor, the first thing we needed, of course, is a piece of land. And having been at Batien, we like the climate. So I said, we started Shamba, it has to be somewhere near. It has to be, I meant it at the time, in a circle of about 25 kilometers around Batien. Anyway, I'm just looking at the guy. There was, I think when I mention the guy's name, please stand up. So the first culprit was a guy called Ben Gate or Ben Getty. Ben was the man of the land. So if you needed a Shamba, you needed to go somewhere, you had to go to Ben. So Ben said, I know a nice young lady. She doesn't live very far from here. She's got a beautiful Shamba, and maybe she can help you. So having lived in Timau, Ben introduced me to a young lady called Ruth Thompson. Ruth, you're looking very surprised, but it happened to be you. So you got to stand up, Tafadali. So we spoke to Ruth. Ruth said, yes, I got a couple of acres here, and I've heard you're not too bad. You're not the biggest thief in the country. Maybe we can do some business. So we made a deal, and I was allowed to release a piece of land, and Tima 1 was born. So after Ruth, so you have the piece of land. Now you say, all right, you don't want to pull water out of the river. So we said we're going to work with boreholes. Again, when you come to boreholes, you talk to one man, the man in the district. We've already heard him before, but he can stand up. Gosho. We had no water. I ordered the greenhouses. I said, Gosho, we have no water, man. He said, Simon, hakuna shida. Mimi ni mtu yamaji, lazima talipa. And he said there are two options. I never forget there were two options. I said, this is the best one. We will think here first. And I think it is a trick. So the first borehole think there was only a couple of drops of water. So I was getting worried. He said, but yeah, we tried the second one. And I think he did it on purpose to be able to charge for 2 holes. Because if he had sung the other one, we didn't need the second one. Well done, man. We're still talking. So having water, having ordered the greenhouses, we needed a grading hole. Again, a grading hole, somebody to build a pack house. Again, there was a name mentioned, a guy called Wambugu. Jamba, iko wapi? Wapi? Jamba, where? Simama, tafadhali. I called Wambugu. I said, Wambugu, we need a pack house. He said, Vandenberg, I'm very sorry, I'm busy. I said, shit. Imutu mbaya sana. Nakata. So I, Sunguka, the district, I met some Muhindi in Nyeri. He wanted to build a pack house, and I think he wanted to rip me off before I had even started. Luckily, 2 weeks before, time came, Wambugu said, Simon, by the way, project ingine hapa naendelea, mimi ko tayari. We have never said goodbye. The guy is probably permanent resident on the Shamba. Every brick, every piece of timber, Wambugu delivers the job. So we are very proud, Asante Sana. So having said greenhouses, again, I've mentioned here a name. I see Moskovich, I see Aviv, I see Shai, and there's a guy I sort of thought maybe he will be, but you guys, can't you stand up? You see, we are very mild to the suppliers. Our people who only take away half the money every month, they dance and sing. Our suppliers are just eating and sitting and drinking. I would expect next time also a bit of entertainment. But it is nice to see you guys. it was fantastic because, of course, when we ordered the first 5 hectares of greenhouses, they said, Simon, why don't you do a little bit more? I said, I have no money. They said, not to worry. We deliver, you pay when you can. Those are the people we like to deal with at Santa Sana. The spray equipment came from Hardy. Is anybody of Hardy here? No Hardy. That is typical Nick. We have bought all his equipment. I've seen him only twice in the 10 years. The other, of course, and I mean, I think some people have left. I mean, I said, you know, when you need a car, a pickup or a truck, the only place you end up is in Avasha or in Anyuki is in Esso. Madan and Subhas. I saw Subhas left. Has Madan also gone? Huh? They're both left. And they are fantastic people. Madan and Subhas, again, you go in for a truck and you say, right, I only need a small one. He said, why don't you buy a big one? I said, no, I don't have so much money. Madan said, forget the money. Get the truck. And it is the only place I know in the country you can drive away in a truck or a pickup without paying 1 doruru. The only catch is that the next week you meet these fellows, they give you hell. Wapi pesa. Wapi pesa. But never mind, they've looked after us. All our cars, all our lorries, all our pickups have come from there. They're being serviced, and we are very proud to have people like that. I said it is, it's in the middle. You also need some money. You also need accountants. And yeah, so you need a bank. And of course, what bank and what accountants we need. You need also somebody tell you how these figures work, because you always have to realize you cannot do everything. So an old friend of mine, and I think he can also stand up, Mr. Trundle. He said, Vandenberg, whatever you do, make sure you write things down. We count, we calculate, we plan, and we program. And you need a decent bank, and you need a decent bunch of accountants. So the bank, it was at that time, I think it was still Bank of America, First American, but later on CBA. CBA, where are you? Titus. Titus came later. We were there before Titus. But CBA, they were only, when we started with them, they were in Upper Hill. I said, you guys, you got to come closer. It took them a little bit of a while. They came from Upper Hill. First they came to Meru. I said, Meru is too far. So Titus said, I give you a branch in Nanyuki. At Santa Sana, and we never looked back. CBA. PKF, I don't know if PKF is still here, our auditors. I saw somebody. PKF? No? Anyway, PKF have been our auditors from day one. They keep us on the narrow, the trade, the steady. So we keep carrying on. Insurance, UAP. I think I'm going to rush a little bit now, otherwise we will still be here until it is dark. So we had UAP in insurance. We had Patrick Eros for cold stores. We had a German guy, with equipment for building roads and reservoirs. But I have to mention it. He hasn't been here for 10 years. He only arrived the other day, and he has to stand up. Mr. Dakin Tafadali. Mr. Dakin arrived when I only had Team 1 and 2. He said, Simon, what a bloody mess have you done there? I said, what do you mean? He said, those reservoirs are too small, they are squiff, not rich. I said, Piers, you're my man. Ever since the day he arrived, whatever you see, every hole which is dug, every road which is laid, every bit of tumor which is chomat, every engine which is to be repaired, Piers is our man. And we have to keep him on the straight and the narrow, otherwise he gets fluffed and he wants to go once in a while on a boda to Sudan. But I said, we need you here, because he started digging another hole. I said, let's finish the hole before you go to Sudan, my friend. Okay, well done, fantastic. We need guys like you. After holes and reservoirs and decks, of course, you need varieties. You need to know what to grow, what to plant. And I think the guy is here, Heiko. Are you here? Yeah, Heiko is here. The first 5 hectares we bought from this guy. A guy who thinks he has got the greatest varieties in the country, but actually they're quite useless. But when you have a decent grower, you can make something out of it. We have never looked back because the varieties we planted 10 years ago, we're still planting them today. Keep it up, well done. And of course, it's nice to see a guy who sticks with the company all those years. Not only Heiko gave us some varieties, I see Jelle, Praisman. I mean, he's a youngster, but of course I was dealing with his, I think it was his previous boss of the previous owner, a guy called Pim. Pim was a man of passion. Pim came to this country, he loved it as much as all of us. And we were very proud to plant 2 of his varieties. And Upper Class has been basically the label of Timoflor. So we are still planting it, we're still growing it. We have looked for 20 other red varieties, but I don't think we found one yet. Keep it up. Asante Sana. Hari has introduced himself as Real IPM. Of course, Real IPM or IPM is our philosophy. We have now 4 companies we are doing IPM with. Real IPM, Koppert, Kenya Biologics, and Dudutech. I saw him in a corner for chemicals, fertilizers. Mr. Beju, are we around or have we gone? Beju, we go back to the early days to his daddy, Rajni, and he is trying to come close to the efficiency of his daddy, but he's still young, there's still time to improve. Beju, keep it up. Asante Sana. Trevor, I don't know if Trevor is here. No. Last but not least, we're getting close to the end, and we're getting close. The closer we get to the end, the more important these people get, because the company is getting bigger. When you now have your flowers planted, you've got them to grow. Now you have to get them to the other side, because if you can't get them to the other side, you might as well not bother. So I was dealing with a company before, a company called Total Touch, where there was some conflict with my previous partner. My previous partner said, if you fly with him, you don't fly with me. So I was stuck without a shipping agent. So in my old days, I also was a shipping agent. For 10 or 15 years, I did charters, I did aeroplanes, and I was never impressed with a company called Kuehne Nagel. It was called Airlink, I think, at that time. So yeah. But I had no other choice. I said, I got to go and see. Please, Miles, Paul, where are you guys? I had no other choice to go and open the door of Kuehne Nagel. I had no flowers yet, I said, and I met this young fellow who's standing there, Paul Gidecker. And it was quite a special moment. I said, Paul, I have started to grow some flowers. I got 1 or 2 hectares in the ground. I'll come maybe in a month's time with 10 boxes. He said, Simon, bring them. 10 years down the line, I think our record has been 12 trucks in 1 day. He said, it doesn't matter what you bring, it flies. It is unique. There is only 1 country on the planet. Whatever you grow, it flies. It is, whether it is, sorry to be, we talk in trucks. We don't talk boxes, we don't talk kilos. A box of us is 400 boxes or 4 tons. But Kuehne Nagel, they are stars and fantastic. Keep it up. You look after us. As I said, we look after you. Of course, now you got them on the other side. Now you got to get rid of them. You got to get rid of these flowers. So, and again, I had an old friend, and he's also here. We worked together for many, many years, since 1990. Gerjan started, we joined, we grew up together. And he is actually the only one we grew up together in the Netherlands, and we are still together. Some people in Holland, they get fussy, they get greedy, they get whatever. But at least we have, Gerjan, please. Why do I have to say this all the time? Stand up. He used to work with me when I was running an unpacking department. And he said, Simon, you know, what you did 10 or 20 years ago was okay. Let me show you how it should be done. And I can tell anybody, it's a state of the art. It is unbelievable. He pushes out 5, 6, up to 10 million roses in a week, and they're all immaculate by the time they reach the clock. Asante sana, carry on. Of course, it is no secret, I am addicted to that clock. My grandfather sold his vegetables on a clock. My father's on a clock. The clock is for me, is like a casino for others or golf for others, but I cannot do without. So I will fight and I will do anything to keep at least one clock alive. Once I was in a lucky position to have my own, and I keep threatening the boys because they're getting a little bit bureaucratic. Said, if you guys get too complicated, we will do it again. Anyway, Asante sana. Of course, Jane, I have to make a little bit of a sidestep because it has been Timor-Floor, but I had some fantastic neighbors here. And yeah, they approached me 5 years ago that Simon, been growing vegetables most of his life. Can we do a bit of flowers? Said, you burn your fingers on one partnership, but you never say never, you never say no. And I am very, very, very proud of what we have achieved together. Gordon, please. And the fact that the day we did a partnership together, now, because as a foreigner, although I've been here for 45 years, you're a foreigner. You're an expat, you're a stranger. Mr. Murray, I think, is third generation. He's a Manonchi. When we started early or started young, we got accused, you're draining all the rivers, you're doing this. When Gordon came to be a partner, now we were part of the wider community. And I am proud and I felt a lot more comfortable. And I think it has also been fantastic to work together with the Murray family. And I see the next generation. I'll come to that in the end. So, of course, when somebody says, and when you see these things, you cannot even dream of saying to stop this thing. You cannot even dream to say, all right, I'm going to sit at the coast and I'm going to lie under a palm tree. No way. When you see all this motivated, encouraged people, I said, life is probably only just beginning. But when you are getting older, it is time also to pass on the baton. Because you get old, you get complacent, and I am a very, very, very lucky guy, and so is Gordon, that I have a son. Sim, stand up again, all you guys. He's found his place, he's found his home. I walk with him, we talk the same language, he doesn't want to change, he doesn't want to this. The only thing he wants to do it better. He wants to be more efficient, he wants to be better. And I said, Simon, this is just the foundation, this is only just the beginning. Feel free. Asante sana, and I wish him definitely all the luck. And I hope, Sisiyote, Nasaidiye, Pakanakuwa Kuba, and the Lea. Sababu, Vashamba iko wengi, watu iko wengi, si ndio? Endelea nazo, endelea. The next fellow, I must admit, topper, tafadhali. Another youngster. Lola Marek Gordon, he is as lucky as I am to have a guy of 34 who wants to make flowers his life. Because flowers, as far as I know, it has to be a passion because it doesn't stop. It is 24 hours, 7 days of the week, and not one day, 1 week, or 1 year is the same. Everything is different. We got to be flexible. We got to go. To have these two youngsters around, it is absolutely a blessing. Fantastic. Asante sana. Last but not least, we have invited a few neighbors, and I've seen a few faces here who grow flowers. I see one. When we started Timor-Floor, we were only 40 or 50 hectares of roses. To get a supplier to come to this part of the world, it was a struggle, because they said to come for you to only for 10 bags of Kunstmest, or 10 bags of fertilizer. In the meantime, in the last 10 years, the area has grown, the area has expanded. We are now 500 hectares. So we are a reasonable size, with a reasonable unit, and we got fantastic neighbors, colleagues. We learn from each other. It is also quite unique. We are probably 10 farms with 10 philosophies. The minute we talk about flowers, we all think we are smarter than the other. And let us keep it like that. Tafadali. We keep it up, we keep our others smart, and the world is big, and there is a lot of room. Asante sana, because we still have a lot to do after all this. We have some people who are with us from day one. I hand over to Mr. Ceremony. Don't waste your time over there. There's business for you. I say asante sana, kila mtu, nafurahi kabisa for everybody who came, and yeah, let's do it in 10 years' time. We'll do it again, and I hope the tent will be twice the size. Asante sana.
All right, before you go, sir, before you leave the stage, you're retiring?
No.
No, actually, that was my genuine face. Like,
huh? What?
Yeah, are you retiring?
I was until this morning, but when I've seen this, there is no retirement.
All right. Okay. After getting that out of the way, may I have Mommy?
Yeah, Mama has to come.
Mama, come up. Let's give a big round of applause to Made.
You know, I would almost forget the most, not just the most, but by far the most important on the planet. Because whatever one thinks, and I'm sure some of you guys are married, and some of you ladies have a husband, but there is nothing without a partnership and a backing at home. Because if you go home and it has been late, if you get kiboko and hammered and where the hell have you been and what have you done, you need somebody who admires and is appreciative. And of course, we have been together, I think it is just over 40 years. 40 years together. They're all coming. So 40 years is not easy, it's a battle. But when you win, she's allowed to give me a kiss now, I think.
Aww. That was an aww moment. Kila mtu sema aww.
Although you guys don't always see her, she is very much present in the background. She knows it all, she stimulates, she motivates, and asante sana, so we are very proud.
Before I hadn't finished. You, I don't know if you should join us. You can join us. Okay. Thank you. All right. Just one more question, or one or two more questions. Okay. Tulieni. Cool down. Get it in. All right. I asked the first question because I know if you said you are retiring, Robert Mugabe would be sad. Having said that, to some serious question, what is the philosophy you've used or employed to grow the company to this extent? Maybe some of us are, budding entrepreneurs and yep.
My main philosophy is, if you give, you get a lot. It's my philosophy to be generous. You give, you be generous, you look after, and if you look after whoever you deal with, they give you.
Do you agree? Employees, do you agree? Tusimame wote. Mkono juu. Sema Igwe. Igwe. Makofi kwa Mr. Simon. Thank you very much. Thank you. And I want to teach you guys a Dutch word. And the word is to say thank you you say dankjewel. That's cool, right? So kila mtu, hata kama hauelewi, hata kama umekula mawalu na umekula madhamaki, sema dankjewel. Come on, man. Let's tell Mr. Simon dankjewel. He's done a good job. Tell him dankjewel. He's promoted a big company. Tell him dankjewel. He is mentoring younger people to take over the job. Tell him dankjewel. And you know, we will be around for so long. All right, now, ladies and gentlemen, I want to introduce to you one lady who has been running around, who has made this happen. I want her to come on stage. She did not want to come, by the way, she did not want to come on stage. But this is the power of having the microphone. Judy Ndai. Wapi makofi kwake anapokuja. Judy, salimia watu. Nini, usiogope watu. Tuambie jina lako, ni kazi gani unafanya hapa Timaflow?
Habari zenyu wote?
Wanakupenda.
Nawapenda wote. Jina langu ni Judy Ndai ama Mrs. Ngugi. Mimi hapa nafanya kazi ya Human Resource Manager and all the errands.
Yeye ndio KYM ya boss. Tumpigie makofi. Sim, you wanna say something? All right. So let me have Judy stand here. Sim, stand here. Stand here. Judy, stand here. Like that. Sim, stand here. Stand between Mom and Judy. All right. So, Kayamba Africa are going to welcome. It's your time. Makofi.
Aduri aya moigwagatia kumamwa igamerigobe tayo moige riri moige kumamwa igamerigobe moigwagatia okogosha kumamwa igamerigobe tayo moige riri moige kumamwa
siwasikivu kiimba.
Ashika bega ya mwenzako hapa.
Shika mabega.
Adurine mogatete mogidoyo. Adurine mogatete mogidoyo. Adurine mogatete mogidoyo. Mogidoyo wamatringe. Odiaga opega baga. Shushu shushu. Odiaga opega baga. Shushu shushu. Odiaga opega baga. Shushu shushu. Mogidoyo wamatringe. Mogidine odiena bere. Mogidoyo. Mogidine odiena bere. Mogidoyo. Mogidine odiena bere. Mogidoyo. Mogidoyo wamatringe.
Mikono juu.
Oidhuothe hamwe.
Mikono juu.
Umana roho. Na mwena. Tuhaicete mugithi uyu. Wakayaba. Tuthiete matuine. Oidhuothe. Ehoe. Haya.
Kila mtu mikono juu, ruka.
Emoyo Jesu, emoyo. Emoyo Jesu, emoyo. Emoyo Jesu, emoyo. Nekareraina, netodore emoyo. Atonyaga mdenye wa aduri. Anashusha.
Tunaangalia huku.
Angalia mbele. Simamia hapo. Simama hapo. Angalia mbele.
To the left, to the right. To the left, to the right. To the left, to the right. To the left, to the right.
Okiona kinyete goko muthenya uyu ni munene. Okiona kinyete goko muthenya uyu ni munene. Uthie na mbere
Twende mbele. Twende mbele, songa mbele. Haya, turn tuangalie huko. Kuja turn. Tunaangalia huko. Wapi vigelegele ya ngoma wadi?
Wapi makofi kwa hawa long service employees? Aya, wengine tukae chini. Of course, we're gonna have the first award go to.
As everybody might see, I've got a very big list for all the long workers here. But every long list starts with number 1. And I'm proud to hand over the first employee. I won't call it employee, but the reason why we're all here is my father. I think a very special person for each and everyone here, but also especially for me. A motivator, a mentor to most. And I think we can all be proud what he's done for us. So by here, I congratulate the first certificate to Simon.
All right, the first certificate and the first gift, of course, goes to Mr. Simon. Thank you. And now we're gonna have. All right, we're gonna have Judy. Now this is what we're gonna do. Judy is going to read. All right. Judy is going to read your certificate. You will come, pick your certificate, pick an envelope from Sims, greet mom, and receive your certificate from dad. Oh, did I just say dad? Oh, that's so natural, you know. I know, right? Oh, that's such an awe moment. Oh, kila mtu sema oh. All right, Judy, go for it.
Our employee number 2, John Trundle. Employee number 3, Rufus Dirangu. Okay. Francis Mwangi. Duiga Miriti.
Tamasha Beats, come on stage.
Frederick Kadurima. Francis Mwirigi. Francis Mwirigi yako wapi? Icharu Gideon Ngolwa.
Makofi kwa wanapopokea zawadi zao.
Mwechweri Mwenda. Murega Jacob. Ndulu Musioka.
Where is Mutwiri Mwenda?
This is Murega Jacob. George Dairu. Musioka.
George Dairu.
Patrick Mweti Mugambi.
Try, as you come to receive your certificate, try and pose for the picture as well. A second, just a second or two. Laikera.
Douglas. Yekunda David.
Gedenchi.
David.
Douglas.
Edward Gitonga.
Nyamadhira.
Edcon John. Ngera Kimathi. Festus Kiruja. Festus Kiruja. Festus Kiruja.
Mtubiri Festus Kiruja. Festus Kiruja.
Awe. Marete Mwenda. Bogambi si Karueda Karen. Kimaita P. Makena, Purity. Burugu si Gatweri. Nyawera Eunice. Gitari F. Ndilitu.
Gitari.
Madhi S. Kadambi. Weru Miri Nyawera.
Kathambi.
Sam David Kibet. Bundi B. Gatweri. Brenda.
Chukua certificate. Chukua.
Bundi B. Gatweri.
Sum Kibet. Just a moment. Sum first. Gatwiri.
Susan. Karamta Roda. Duru Rosary. Yes.
Roda.
Binjue F. Karambu.
Roda.
Binjue F. Karambu.
Rosalind.
John Lucy Kinanu. Mwambia Esther Mkoru. Esther. Mwambia. Mwambia E. Mkoru. Mulimbitu L. Kanini.
Mkoru.
Beatrice Akinyi.
She's there.
Kome M. Mutiga. Kome M. Mutiga. Kangora.
Come.
Henry J. Gitonga. Henry J. Gitonga.
Wako tu sawa, si ndio? Wako tu sawa. Yeah.
Henry J. Gitonga. Kisongi F. Manti.
Mantizia.
Mwithumbi F. Kinywa. Michael Mochweri. Peter Marete Kubania. Yes.
Kaibunga. Why is Kaibunga?
But we are rewarding the family.
So Peter.
We are rewarding the family. So the chairman is taking it to the family. Yes.
That is awarded posthumously, ladies and gentlemen. It will go to the family.
Francis W. Kirigia.
Kirigi. This is Zakayo.
Kirichu J. Mwongera. Burungi F. Marete.
Francis.
Burungi F. Marete. Kiremi Razara Njigia. Morioki J. Kadurima.
Kirichu here.
Marete Muriongi.
You are?
Kura Grace Kiremi. Grace Karemi.
And you are?
Grace Karemi.
Vincent who? Vincent Mukari.
Ombati W. Nyamboke.
She's who? Grace.
Karani Jane Mukami. Karani Jane Mukami. Ombati W. Nyamboke. Julius R. Makena. Chalo Timadri. Moreidi C. Gatweri. Moreidi V. Mukaria. Moreidi V. Mukaria. Anthony Gashanja. Anthony Gashanja. Julius R. McKenna. Musa N. Murigi. Moriuki J. Kadurima.
Morioki J. Kadurima.
Murigi N. Kadambi.
Murigi Kadambi.
Uriburu J. Kaibunga. Julius R. McKenna. Julius R. McKenna.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a very big Timafloor round of applause to all the long service employees. Tuwapigie makofi vizuri na vigelegele. Asante, asante sana. Those are the folks who set the foundation of, you know, the company as it were. Okay? Thank you very much. Tuambie Dankjewel. Tell them Dankjewel. Thank you very much. The next thing that we're going to do is we will award the best employees. Again, I hand it over to the Human Resource Manager. Everybody pay attention, ladies and gentlemen. Everybody pay attention for the best employees of Timafloor.
Miriam Mokangari, Backhouse Timber 1.
Miriam Mokangari, makofi kwake. Yuko wapi?
Yeah.
Miriam, just a moment.
Sarah Aoko.
Sarah Aoko. Makofi kwake. Why is Sarah? Best employees, they are not even here celebrating, they are working. Makofi kwao.
Mokiri.
Wafuatane hivyo tafadhali. Edith Mukiri.
Afuatwe na Faith Kagwira.
Faith Kagwira. Hivyo hivyo tafadhali tuharakishe kidogo, masani mbaya sana.
Then Justina Kawera Timbadri.
Justina Kawera. Hapa, hapa, hapa.
Timothy Geshunge Timbadri. Joy Najara Timofo. Patrick Gitonga. Solomon Kaimenyi. Luke Babu.
Faith Kagwera. Justina Kawera. Timothy Geshunge. Joy Nanchala. Patrick Getonga, Solomon Kaimenyi, and Luke Babu. These are the best employees at Timafloor, ladies and gentlemen. Best performers. These are the best performing employees. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause to the best performance at Timafloor. Come on, let's give them a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You can go and sit. Santeni sana, you've done a good job. Great, great job. Thank you.
Sikudhani kama ungeweza kuyafanya hayo, sikudhani kama ungeweza kuyafanya hayo. Si kitu, mimi ni mpita njia, nitakwenda utabaki na wako mliezoeana. Si kitu, mimi ni mpita njia, nitakwenda utabaki na sponsor mliezoeana.
Are we all back? Where's Judy? Judy?
David, matamshi yako rafiki hayakunipendeza, matamshi yako rafiki hayakunipendeza. Sikudhani kama ungeweza kuyafanya hayo, sikudhani kama ungeweza kuyafanya hayo. Si kitu, mimi ni mpita njia, nitakwenda utabaki na wako zoeana.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the top management of Team Aflo, the team that has been supporting Mr. Simon to do all the job. This is the team. You want to say something?
Yeah. Anyway, karibu. Huh? Yeah, you know, like everybody knows, there's nothing one does on his own. Of course, we have fantastic people here, but you need people around you, nearby, who actually delegate. And I just go one by one to start on this corner. David Zomba, manager, Tima 2. Simon, we can't go wrong, he's got the right name, Tima 1, manager. Rosalie, and if you guys have watched properly, Rosalie joined us 10 years ago, and she has made it to the top. Fantastic. Well done, manager, Tima 4. Keep it, the man with the smile. Packhouse, Tima 4. Well done. Money, the money man. Joseph, he is very humble, but I hope he is as humble with his money as he is as a human being. Fantastic. Joseph, Kitao. It's also important that we look after our people's health. Purity, our medical officer. Judah, I think we employed once a lot of people from Flamingo. They didn't go too well, but Judah made it. Tima 3, manager Tima 3. Well done, Judah, keep it up. Another 10-year award man, George. I don't know, what was your position when you started 10 years ago? Huh? Supervisor. You came in as a supervisor? He started, we start from the bottom and we climb to the top. Well done, George. Packhouse, Tima 3. I keep that young lady for the last. Thomas, he's fresh. He's only participating in the party, really. He has arrived, is it already 3 months ago? But we have great expectations. He had a good teacher next door. And Thomas, we wish him all the best. Tima 1 and Tima 2. Junior, we know. We skip him for a minute. Tima 3, Brian. Brian, I said, you know, like I told you a day ago, I was threatening to retire. I said, Brian, now you're the oldest man. You look after these youngsters. Keep it up. Fantastic. Brian is he's nearly as old as I am, but he's still very young, and he keeps us on the straight and the narrow. Fantastic, Brian, we can't do without you. We have a bit of a stranger here. Huh? But everybody knows him. He doesn't like to do things by hand, and he uses these ugly big yellow machines. But we need him, he looks after us. Piers, fantastic to be part of this. Now, John, also you have seen in the 10-year award, John has been with us from day one. I've known John since the early 80s. And I know John how do I say this thing? John is sort of, I can't find the word now, but John is not generous. He's very tight. So, said John, we need you around. Huh? Head of security, to keep everybody on the straight and the net on the line. Wilberforce. Wilberforce is a name that's difficult to remember, but Wilberforce is our man. We have a lot of security, we have a lot of Askaris, about 60 of how many? Huh? 63. How many Askaris?
Right now?
Yeah? 59, okay, so he's doing well. With 59 Askaris, well done. So this is our team. So the one I skipped, the young lady, go to the front. She has only been with us for 8 years, but it has been 8 very, very pleasant years. And Judy also is humble. She came, she also climbed through the ranks. I don't know how Judy came initially. And there were different ranks. But Judy is, she's the mother of this party, really. And because even today I have surprises. I didn't know what was organized. I think there is the mother of all who raise and claps for this young lady, because we can say Asante Sana, Judy. And I say thank you very, very much. We toast now, young men.
Just a moment. Just a moment. Just a moment. All right, we're going to raise our grasses. Mumenirisha mawalu mpaka sasa nina shema. Ninangoa kungoa. All right, everybody raise your glass. Raise your glass. And this, who is going to propose the toast? Mr. Simon, do the honors. Propose the toast. Propose the toast.
Salute. Hey. Salute.
Happy birthday, dear Tima Flo. Happy birthday, dear Tima Flo. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, dear Tima Flo. Kata keki tukule sasa, kata keki tukule sasa. Iyo ni keki siyo mukimo. Iyo ni keki siyo mukimo. Na Wameru wambiwe ibo. Iyo ni keki siyo mukimo. Kata keki, kata keki, kata keki tukule sasa. Kata keki, kata keki, kata keki tukule sasa. Watu wa greenhouse wapewe kubwa. 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 Kata keki, kata keki, kata keki tukule sasa. Kata keki, kata keki, kata keki tukule sasa.
Sasa mnavyoona keki haijakatwa. Kuna kisu imeelewa bali. What I am saying in French, for those who don't understand French, the knife has disappeared. But not to worry, we're gonna cut the cake. But as we wait to cut the cake, this is what's gonna happen. We will have some more music. Of course, you guys are not leaving yet. You haven't danced. Do you want to see the top management dance? Do you want to see them dance? Are you going to dance? Bwana yu mnajibu pole pole. Nyinyi mtadance? Mtadance? Haya, tutafanya hivi. Tukingojea hii kisu. Wameendea kisu. Lazima tukate keki. We will dance. Tamasha beats. Twende kazi. Kila mtu. Kama wewe ungenipenda, kwa nini kunidanganya bwana wewe? Cheza pole pole. Kujibandika madaraka sio